Glasgow, the largest city in Scotland, is a vibrant and culturally rich destination that offers a wide range of attractions and activities for tourists. Nestled along the River Clyde, Glasgow seamlessly blends its industrial heritage with modern innovation, making it a city that has something for everyone. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the Glasgow Cathedral, a magnificent example of medieval architecture that dates back to the 12th century. Adjacent to the cathedral is the atmospheric Necropolis, a sprawling Victorian cemetery that offers stunning views of the city skyline. History buffs will also appreciate a visit to the Street Mungo Museum of Religious Life and Art, which explores the history of religion in Glasgow and beyond. Art enthusiasts will find Glasgow to be a treasure trove of creativity. The Kelvin Grove Art Gallery and Museum is a must-visit, housing a vast collection of art and historical artifacts that span centuries and cultures. Additionally, the city has a thriving contemporary art scene, with the Gallery of Modern Art, GOMA, showcasing cutting-edge works and hosting temporary exhibitions. For those interested in the city's industrial history, the Riverside Museum is a fascinating destination. Housed in a stunning Zaha Hadid-designed building, this museum offers a comprehensive look at Glasgow's transportation heritage, featuring everything from vintage cars and trams to ship models and locomotives. Glasgow's culinary scene is nothing short of exceptional. The city is renowned for its diverse and dynamic food culture, with numerous restaurants, cafes, and street food markets offering a wide range of culinary delights. Don't forget to try traditional Scottish dishes like haggis, neeps, and tatties, or indulge in some fresh seafood from the nearby coast. Shopping enthusiasts will be delighted with the city's retail options. Buchanan Street, known as the I-Style Mile, is a bustling shopping district with flagship stores, boutiques, and high-end fashion outlets. For a more unique shopping experience, explore the eclectic offerings of the Barras Market or the artsy boutiques in the West End's trendy neighborhoods. Glasgow's music scene is world-renowned, with a rich history of producing legendary bands and artists. Be sure to catch a live gig at one of the city's iconic venues like the Barrowland Ballroom or the King Tut's Hut, where many famous musicians got their start. The city also boasts an abundance of green spaces, including the beautiful Kelvin Grove Park, the Botanic Gardens, and Pollok Country Park, which is home to the impressive Powerhouse and the Burrell Collection. In conclusion, Glasgow is a multifaceted destination that offers a blend of history, culture, art, and entertainment. Whether you're exploring its historical sites, indulging in its culinary delights, or immersing yourself in its vibrant art scene, Glasgow promises a memorable and enriching experience for tourists from around the world.